So what do you enjoy about the process of everything?
Well, my husband and I were looking at redoing our deck a few months ago, and we looked up a few different companies. We came across yours, and when you messaged us, you were really flexible about your time, about when you can come in, and really worked around our schedules.
What did we do for you guys?
You actually rebuilt our deck, so you came in and you did this whole entire area. You did a whole new fence for us, which we really enjoy. It's nice to see the whole background now, because the whole bush area. You put in a whole new floorboards on the deck. You did new underboards as well.
So how would you recommend us, and how was our services?
Absolutely, I would recommend you. I would tell everybody that you do a great job. You're super professional. I would rate it a 10 out of 10 for your service and your materials. And definitely I will tell everyone that is looking for renovations to come talk to you.
Awesome, thank you.